In this video, you are going to see how to create a shareable Google Drive folder, and you can share it very easily. Let us go any browser and let me write here drive.google.com. Then it will go to your Google Drive folder. Now let me click on new and click on new folder. Let me rename it folder for PPT. Click on create. Then a folder will be created. Let me click on over here. You can drop your file from your computer. Let me minimize it. Select this to presentation and go to over here and drop it over here like this. Then it will be uploaded. Here the two files have been uploaded. Let me go to the back by clicking over here. Now if you want to share this folder, click on right button, go to share, click on share. Now you have two options. Let me click on this option restricted and click on anyone with the link. If you want to give the permission for only the viewing purpose, then select the viewer. If you click on the editor, they can organize, add or edit the file. Generally, we give the permission for the viewing purpose. Let me click on viewer and just copy the link. Now if you give this link, let us paste it anywhere. If you give this link to anyone, they can easily download the files. You can access it directly by using their mail. Let us choose a mail from my computer, and if you click on the viewer or editor and if you click on the send, then they will get the access for this folder. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.